How to create stickers in TikTok. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own custom stickers directly inside the TikTok app. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open the TikTok app on your phone. Once TikTok is open, find a video, photo, or slideshow that you want to turn into a sticker. After the video is open, look on the right side of the screen and tap on the sharing icon. This will bring up the sharing menu at the bottom. Scroll through the options until you find the one called Create Sticker. Tap on it. If you don't see this option, that means the creator didn't allow stickers for that video, so you'll need to open a different post and try again. Once you tap Create Sticker, a small editor will open. Here you can trim the clip, crop it, or even add text to your sticker. Take your time adjusting everything the way you want. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Next. At the top right, you'll see an option to make the sticker public so other people can use it, or you can keep it private just for yourself. You can also add keywords to help organize it, but that part is optional. After that, tap to Finish and your sticker will be created. Now, if you're wondering where to find the stickers you've made, go to your TikTok profile. On your profile page, you'll see a small sticker icon next to the Videos tab. Tap on that, and you'll see all the stickers you've created. From here, you can send a sticker to a friend, view the original video, add it to the store, or delete it completely. And that's how you create and manage stickers directly inside the TikTok app. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy TikTok tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.